friend of me is Honor 50, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this Android. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Now install this free app from this developer and choose Open. Now you need to wait for the pop-ups to show up, and when they do, choose while using the app, tap on Allow and select Home button. Now choose Settings and select Apps over here. Following that, you need to click on Default Apps and choose Home app. Now apply iOS Launcher by clicking on it and choosing OK. Then tap on Got it, and as you can see, Apple Layout was applied successfully on my Android. But you can always switch between them by going into the same settings, Default App Settings, clicking on Default Home app, and clicking Honor one or iOS one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!